Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of oats and exploring the numerous benefits of incorporating them into your daily diet. Oats are not just a breakfast staple, they're a powerhouse of nutrition that can significantly impact your overall health. In this video, we'll cover everything from the essential nutrients found in oats to how they can improve heart health, aid digestion, and even help with weight management. Why should I care about oats? Understanding their nutritional benefits is crucial for enhancing their diet and well-being. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, oats can provide sustained energy throughout the day while keeping you full and satisfied. We'll also discuss how oats can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for those managing diabetes or looking to maintain stable energy levels. Plus, we'll share some delicious and easy ways to incorporate oats into your meals, ensuring you can enjoy their benefits without feeling bored. So, stick around as we uncover the fantastic health benefits of eating oats daily and how they can transform your body and mind. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Nutritional profile of oats. Oats are often hailed as a superfood for good reason. They boast a rich nutritional profile that includes essential vitamins, minerals, and a significant amount of dietary fiber. One of the standout features of oats is their high fiber content, particularly beta-glucan, known for its cholesterol-lowering properties. Just 1 cup of cooked oats provides about 4 grams of fiber, helping to promote healthy digestion and keep you feeling full longer. Oats are a great source of essential vitamins and minerals, including fiber. They contain B vitamins, such as thiamine and folate, crucial in energy metabolism and brain health. Oats are also rich in minerals like magnesium, iron, and zinc, which support various bodily functions, including immune health and muscle function. The health benefits linked to oats are impressive. Regular consumption can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve blood sugar control, making them an excellent choice for those with diabetes. Furthermore, the antioxidants found in oats, such as avenanthramides, have anti-inflammatory properties that can contribute to overall health. By incorporating oats into your daily diet, you're enjoying a tasty meal and fueling your body with essential nutrients that promote long-term wellness. Digestive health benefits. Regarding digestive health, oats are a faithful ally. One critical component that benefits oats is their high soluble fiber content, particularly beta-glucan. This type of fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance in the gut, which helps slow digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. By doing so, soluble fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining gut health and ensuring that your digestive system functions smoothly. Oats are particularly effective in preventing constipation. The fiber in oats adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass. This helps alleviate occasional constipation and promotes regular bowel movements, contributing to overall digestive health. Incorporating oats into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to keep your digestive system on track. Moreover, oats have a positive impact on gut microbiota. The soluble fiber in oats acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for various bodily functions, including nutrient absorption and immune support. By promoting the growth of good bacteria, oats help create a balanced gut environment, which can lead to improved digestion and overall health. So, adding oats to your daily routine can be a game changer for your digestive well-being. Heart health and cholesterol. Oats are a powerful ally regarding heart health, primarily due to their high beta-glucan content. These soluble fibers have been shown to effectively lower LDL cholesterol, often called bad cholesterol. When consumed regularly, beta-glucans form a gel-like substance in the gut that binds to cholesterol and bile acids, facilitating their excretion from the body. This process not only helps to lower cholesterol levels but also supports overall cardiovascular health. Numerous studies have highlighted the heart protective benefits of oats. For instance, a meta-analysis published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming just 3 grams of soluble fiber from oats daily can reduce total cholesterol levels by about 5 to 10%. This reduction is significant, as lower cholesterol levels are directly linked to a decreased risk of heart disease. Additionally, oats are rich in antioxidants, such as avenanthramides, which have anti-inflammatory properties that further contribute to heart health. By incorporating oats into your daily diet, you can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease. Research suggests that individuals who consume oats regularly may experience a 20 to 30% lower risk of developing cardiovascular issues. So, making oats a part of your breakfast routine could be a simple yet effective step toward a healthier heart. Weight management. Oats can be a game changer in weight management. One of the primary reasons oats are effective for weight control is their high fiber content. The soluble fiber found in oats, particularly beta-glucan, helps to promote feelings of fullness and satiety. When you consume oats, the fiber absorbs water and expands in your stomach, which can help curb hunger and reduce the likelihood of overeating later in the day. Additionally, oats have a low glycemic index, GI, and slowly release glucose into the bloodstream. This slow release helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to increased hunger and cravings. By keeping your energy levels steady, oats can help you resist the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods throughout the day. Incorporating oats into a weight loss diet is simple and versatile. Start your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with fruits and nuts for added nutrients and flavor. You can also use oats in smoothies, overnight oats, or as a base for healthy energy bars. Experimenting with savory oat dishes, like oat-based pancakes or savory oatmeal bowls, can also keep your meals exciting while supporting your weight management goals. By making oats a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy their benefits while working towards a healthier weight. Blood sugar control. Oats play a significant role in regulating blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain stable energy throughout the day. One of the key factors contributing to this benefit is the high fiber content in oats, particularly soluble fiber like beta-glucan. This type of fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, which helps to prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar after meals. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, oats can help you avoid the energy crashes and cravings that often follow high sugar meals. Incorporating oats into the diet can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Studies have shown that consuming oats can improve glycemic control, crucial for managing diabetes effectively. Oats' low glycemic index means they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels compared to more processed grains, making them a smart choice for those monitoring their carbohydrate intake. It's important to choose whole oats over processed options, such as instant oatmeal, which often contain added sugars and lose some nutritional benefits during processing. Whole oats, like steel-cut or rolled oats, retain their fiber and nutrients, providing the best support for blood sugar regulation. By making whole oats a staple in your diet, you can enjoy their delicious taste while promoting better blood sugar control and overall health. Skin health benefits. Oats are not just a nutritious food, they also offer remarkable skin health and appearance benefits. One of the standout features of oats is their soothing properties, making them an excellent remedy for various skin conditions. Oats contain compounds called avenanthramides, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties can help alleviate irritation, redness, and itching associated with eczema, psoriasis, and dry skin. Incorporating oats into your skincare routine is simple and effective. Oatmeal baths are a popular method for soothing irritated skin. Add finely ground oats to warm bathwater for a calming soak. You can also create homemade face masks using oats mixed with yogurt or honey to hydrate and gently exfoliate the skin. The natural saponins in oats act as a mild cleanser, helping to remove dirt and oil without stripping the skin of its natural moisture. Numerous studies and testimonials support the skin health benefits of oats. Research published in the Journal of Drugs in Dermatology found that colloidal oatmeal significantly improved skin hydration and barrier function in individuals with dry skin. Many people have shared positive experiences using oats in their skincare routines, praising their effectiveness in soothing and nourishing the skin. Adding oats to your diet and skincare regimen allows you to enjoy their multifaceted benefits for healthier, more radiant skin. How to incorporate oats into your diet? Incorporating oats into your daily meals is easier than you might think, and the possibilities are endless. One of the simplest ways to enjoy oats is by starting your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal. You can customize it with toppings like fresh fruits, nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of honey for added flavor and nutrition. For a quick breakfast option, consider overnight oats. Just combine rolled oats with your choice of milk or yogurt, add some fruits and spices, and let it sit in the fridge overnight for a delicious grab-and-go meal. Oats are incredibly versatile and can be used in sweet and savory dishes. Try adding oats to smoothies for a creamy texture and extra fiber. You can also use oats as a base for energy bars or homemade granola, mixing them with nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. For a savory twist, consider using oats in veggie burgers or as a binding agent in meatballs. Don't hesitate to experiment with different types of oats, such as steel-cut, rolled, or instant oats, as each offers a unique texture and flavor. By incorporating oats into various meals throughout the day, you can enjoy their health benefits while keeping your diet exciting and delicious. So, get creative and discover your favorite oat recipes. The benefits of eating oats daily are genuinely remarkable and can significantly enhance your overall health. From promoting digestive health through their high fiber content to supporting heart health by lowering cholesterol levels, oats are a nutritional powerhouse. Their ability to stabilize blood sugar levels makes them an excellent choice for individuals managing diabetes, while their soothing properties can improve skin health and appearance. With such a wide range of health benefits, incorporating oats into your daily diet is an innovative and delicious choice. Whether you enjoy them in a warm bowl of oatmeal, blended into smoothies, or as an ingredient in savory dishes, there are countless ways to enjoy oats and make them a staple in your meals. We encourage you to experiment with different oat recipes and discover how they can enhance your diet. If you found this video helpful and informative, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content on health and nutrition. Remember to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from learning about the incredible advantages of oats. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.